Now we have to solve the sums related to the combination of solids, combination of solids. So far as the volume part is concerned, that is very easy. Like the first example is a metal container is the form of a cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere. And find the volume of the figure. The volume is volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So pi r square is common. Inside is h plus 2 by 3 r. 22 by 7 r. 3.5 by 10 into 3.5 by 10 h. 7 plus 2 by 3 into 3.5 by 10. So it will be 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10 into 7 plus 70 by 30. So 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10, 3280 by 30. So after solving this will be cancelled, this will be 4, right? This is cancelled, so the answer will be 35933 meter cube. Example 2 is the ice cream cone consists of a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. Ice cream cone surmounted by a hemisphere. Surmounted by hemisphere. If the radius is 3.5 centimeter, and the height of cone is the height of ice cream cone, means this is 12.5 centimeter. Find the volume of ice cream. Volume of ice cream will be volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. 1/3 pi r square is common. Left is h plus 2r. 1/3 into 22 by 7. Radius is 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. Height of conical part is 12.5 minus 3.5 is 9 centimeter plus 2 into 3.5. So 1.3 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10 into 7, 16. So the answer will be 205.33 centimeter square. The solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with the both radius are equal to 1 centimeter. Cone surmounted on hemisphere, radius is 1 centimeter and the height of cone is equal to the radius. Height of cone, height is also 1 centimeter. Find the volume. Find the volume of solid in terms of pi. Volume will be volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. 1 upon 3 pi r square is common, that is h plus 2 r. 1 by 3 pi, 1 into 1, h is 1 plus 2. So 1 by 3 pi into 3. So the answer will be pi centimeter. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, from a cylindrical diameter of this, from a cylinder of diameter 10 centimeter, radius 5 centimeter, height 12 centimeter. A conical cavity of same height is cut out. Find the volume of remaining solid. From cylinder, conical cavity is cut out. That means volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h minus 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h is common, so 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3 pi 22 by 7, radius 5 into 5, h 12. So the answer will be, so in the question it's given that take value of pi at 3.14. So answer will be 628 centimeter cube. Example number 5. Example number 5 is, the storage oil tank consists of a cylindrical portion of 7 centimeter in diameter. Cylindrical oil storage tank. It is cylindrical to the diameter. Diameter is 7 meter. And the total length of tank, it has 2 hemispherical ends, and the total length of tank is 20 meter. If the total length is, find the capacity of oil tank. We have to find the capacity of oil tank. That means the volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere into 2. volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Hemisphere is 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square is common, that is h plus 4 by 3 r. Pi, value of pi will be 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h is 13. The height of cylinder will be 20 minus 7, because it is 3.5 here and it is 3.5 here. This is 3.5 and this is 3.5. So it will be h 13 plus 4 by 3 r is 7 by 2. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 13 plus 14 by 3. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, 13, 39, 53 by 3. So the answer will be 68017 centimeter cube. That is all for today. Thank you very much. And in case you have problem, you can call me at my number, that is 9988506200 94170133362. Thank you.